Next checklist, voltage available again, but letter C, fill hot well naman ang ating tatrabahuhin. So, press natin yan.
Hot well refilling pump suction valve should be open.
Hot well refilling pump suction valve should be open. Ito yon.
Hot well refilling pump switch position should be set to on.
So, hot well refilling pump, on natin.
Wait until hot well is almost full, in the high alarm range.
So, nasaan yon? Tingnan natin. So, ito yung refilling tank. Re-refill daw natin ang pump na ito, itong hot well. So, magantay lang tayo. Bantayan natin. At asan yung control niya? Remember, andito yung hot well refilling valve sa control panel. Balik tayo sa steam diagram. Ayan. So, unti-unti nating kinakargahan, and itong hot well naman, dito kumukuha yung feed pump natin. Ayan yung linyada niya para kargahan yung boiler natin. So, that will be discussed on our next video habang hinihintay natin itong hot well na mapuno. Okay, medyo matagal siya mapuno, no? So, we have feed pump number 1 and feed pump number 2. And we have this isolating valve. So, yan. Accept natin yung alarm. Ayun, pumula na. Ibig sabihin, umalarma na.
Hot well refilling pump switch position should be set to off.
Sa realidad, wag nating hayaan na naalarmahan tayo.
Okay.
Yan.
Now, press close checklist.
Next
button to close
checklist.
The checklist window.